The time function in Excel is perfect for constructing a time value when you have the individual hour, minute, and second components. If you want to create a time like 3:45 p.m. from separate values, the formula to use is equal to time, select hour, select minute, select second, cross bracket, press enter. And you'll see the time 3:45 displayed in Excel time format. Navigate to format cell and choose different styles for your time. It's especially useful for creating precise time entries, scheduling events, or combining time elements into a cohesive timestamps. Give this a try and let me know if there is anything else you like to learn in Excel. I'll make a video tutorial based on your comments.